everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a new recipe for you and it's a peri peri tomato chicken. And my ingredients are, over here I have cooking our diced chicken pieces. So I just have them on a medium heat to let them whiten up. Then I have a medium peri peri marinade, some garden peas, they're from frozen, some cherry tomatoes and a red pepper. So let's get started. So while the chicken is cooking in the pan, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to start to prepare the cherry tomatoes and the pepper. So I'm just going to dice them up so they can be ready to be put in with the chicken. And so there's my red peppers all chopped up into nice thin slices. So just make sure that you have removed all the seed from the inside of the pepper. And then I'm just going to dice the cherry tomatoes now. And so there we have our tomatoes all chopped up. So I just used half the box of tomatoes. I divided each tomato into slices of 6. So now they're ready for it to be added in with the chicken. So I'm just going to go over and check and see how the chicken is doing. So you can see it's become nice and white, which means we're ready for it to add in the other ingredients. So just give it a stir around. And then I'm going to add in the garden peas first. And mix them in. And so now we're ready for it to add in the tomatoes. And again, give that a stir. So now I'm just going to add in a little bit of boiling water. So that will just help for the juice for it to come out of the tomatoes. And then also I'm going to start adding in the peri peri marinade. So I'm just approximately using half the packet of the peri peri marinade. And then give that a stir. So just stir it around until you can see that all the mix is mixed in with the water and not stuck on the chicken. And then I'm just going to cover this over and just going to turn down the heat slightly. And then we're going to leave it for approximately 10 minutes just for it to simmer away. So it's been 10 minutes cooking now, so I'm just going to take the lid off and check to see how it's doing. So give it a stir. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add in the red peppers. And again, just give them a mix around. And then I'm just going to cover back over the pan and leave it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So while that's simmering, I just have spaghetti cooking over here to add to the dinner as well. So now just looking back at the peri peri chicken, seems like everything is nicely cooked. So I just leave the peppers in just for a little minute just to heat up, as I like to keep them nice and crunchy. So I'm just going to turn off the heat. And now our dish is ready to be served up. And so there we have a nice, healthy and easy recipe, peri peri chicken. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching everybody, and have a great day.